After New Zealand, South Africa has now passed a motion condemning the Pulwama terror attack in India. Naming Pakistan, South Africa has called for Islamabad to act against the perpetrators of the Pulwama terror attack. We've accessed a copy of that, and that's on your screens. South Africa has now called for Islamabad to act against the perpetrators of the Pulwama terror attack after New Zealand. It is the turn of South Africa now to pass a motion condemning the Pulwama terror attack, and a copy of that motion passed by the National Assembly of South Africa is there on your screens. We've accessed that, and you can read, note with shock and dismay of a terrorist attack in Kashmir on Thursday, 14 February 2019, in which 40 soldiers of the Central Reserve Police Force were killed. That's point number one. Condemns this cowardly act of terrorism, the likes of which has not been seen in 3 decades in Kashmir, carried out by a 19-year-old suicide bomber. Calls on the government of Pakistan and to find the perpetrators of this dastardly attack. That's the motion passed by the government of South Africa. Breaking here on Wion World is One. We've accessed a copy of that motion without notice, National Assembly's motion without notice. That's there on your screens. I'm reading out from that motion passed by the South African government, which has passed a motion condemning the Pulwama terror attack. It has called on the government of Pakistan. It's also saying, salute the fallen Jawans who have made the ultimate and supreme sacrifice for their country, and extend our condolences to the respective families and the nation of India. News breaking here. South Africa has called on Pakistan to act against the perpetrators of the Pulwama terror attack. South Africa has condemned the Pulwama attack, called on Pakistan, naming it in a motion passed by the government, asking Islamabad to get those perpetrators of the attack.